Hi, Alison Marsden here from Gardening by Design with a quick video tip. This time looking at how to create the effect of a tropical garden in a temperate climate. May is the moment to add half-hardy exotic summer bedding to your garden, especially if you want a corner of it to remind you of a tropical paradise or a summer holiday destination. But a sustainable design cannot be solely dependent on summer bedding. You need size and structure with some permanent large plants. Some will be evergreen to match the tropical vibe where plants grow all year round, and all will need to be hardy through a British winter. I'm a great fan of coastal and Mediterranean planting schemes, and here again, the key to recreating these is to focus on the overall effect and not individual plants. So you may be looking for plants that are grey or spiky, or possibly luxurious and a deep, rich, glossy green. But whichever style you seek, the plants need to be hardy, ideally to -10 degrees, but failing that, and if you're prepared to make some occasional replacements, -5. There are only two realistic options if you want a palm tree, both of which are smaller than a huge tropical date palm, but that's no bad thing in a modern domestic garden. These are dwarf versions of the fan palm and the Chuzan palm. The archetypal spiky succulent agaves are too tender for the UK, but there are choices of strappy leaf plants for that effect, like a phormium or the silvery Astelia here, shown partnered with Agapanthus, another great plant that you can use particularly in a pot with a little bit of winter protection. There are substitutions to be made too in climbing plants. I'm afraid that the clear pale blue plumbago is a non-starter, but Solanum crispum, the potato vine, is a lax shrub often trained as a climber that will flower all summer. Neither bougainvillea nor morning glory are hardy, but the morning glory is an annual, so can be sown from seed and will reach several meters high with these beautiful bluey purple flowers on by the summer. And a small flowered rambling rose partnered with a contrasting colour in a big summer flowering clematis makes a bold display. When it comes to grey feathery leaved plants, things are a little bit simpler because both the curry plant, a form of Helichrysum, and the broader silver leaved Cineraria will make it through most winters, and a few cuttings in a pot on a windowsill provide an insurance policy. For larger structural shrubs, most people will be familiar with Fatsia that looks like an overgrown houseplant, but it is very hardy. But also worth looking at is a Grevillea, an Australian plant with very fine leaves, again totally worth trying in the UK. And for a tall flowering shrub, although deciduous, it's very hard to beat the hardy hibiscus. Make sure though this isn't the houseplant hibiscus with glossy dark leaves, which certainly won't take any frost. Add in a mulch of gravel or pebbles and a bench to relax on, and the image is complete. There's more information on my Gardening by Design website about how gardening supports well-being and how I can help you.